Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 in Tokyo, and right now we are for the interview. We have come here for the media interview, so we are just getting prepared for all that. All the girls are really excited, and you see there it has started. They are just doing it outdoors in front of a coffee shop, and looks like the cops is telling media something. So media, the cops is saying not to take the photo here, and the media is having a conversation there. But that's how they are prepared here. I thought they took the permission in advance. I have no idea what's going on here, but the cops look so cute. The uniform is so pretty. In Japan everybody wears these hand gloves, and it's quite interesting. And we have a coffee shop here. It says Orange Cardinal Akasaka, and all these pretty girls there. So that's it, and this is me. I'm really happy. It's quite sunny today, and I'm wearing red for the interviews and for the whole day.
You can't use like one in but the color Jimmy?
So guys, I couldn't do the morning interview because it takes really long time, and they are doing interview one by one. So neither did Danica do it. But we have another media interview, so we are following Jessica to the place where we have another media. So there are a couple of medias today, and from different countries, basically all over Asia. So we are busy in all that. It's quite chilly. I wore shorts today. Just look at it. I have no leggings. I wore only one short and a lot of jeans, and I thought of wearing shorts just for the interview today, but you know, it's okay. I'll go change later. And Korea, why am I saying Korea? Tokyo is so nice. It's so clean, and it's kind of autumn here. Like, you don't see this yellows, brown leaves in Singapore, so it's all nice and pretty. And I have all these pretty girls here.
Hello!
Hi! So we're just crossing the road, and finally I'm seeing some Japanese people, you know, Japanese faces, because we from the time we came yesterday, we hadn't had much time to see anybody because it was dark at the night. But it's actually beautiful, and I think we are walking back to our hotel. And just look at the tripod Danica is carrying. Her tripod is so cute. It moves by itself, and it actually takes film quality videos. So I really want that. Once I go back to Singapore, I'll look for that. That tripod is so cute.
What tripod?
The one that Janica is using. Yeah.
Wow!
It moves by itself.
Cool.
Yes.
Oh, it's like automatic.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I want it. So everyone is so excited seeing her tripod because it moves by itself. And nothing else. The weather is quite nice, and I'm actually enjoying this cold kind of chilly weather here, because Singapore is super hot all year round and it sucks big time. So having something like this makes you feel cool. I'm actually enjoying this little bit of chill that I'm feeling, but everything is cool. And we are just walking back to hotel. I have not even shown you guys my hotel where we are staying right now, but I think the one that you see, the blue boat, it is Presso in Akasaka. This one, this tall building, this is our hotel. It's like cement gray and white. So we are just getting in the hotel and supposed to give interview for another media. This is our hotel, Presso in Akasaka, and I still have to do my hotel room tour that I'll do later once I have a little bit of space. So finally we are here, and I'll catch you guys later. Go by ourselves when we get free time. We just reached the place. Oh, it looks so cute. So we are in the cab right now, and we are just getting off.
Oh, that's the Meiji
It's so beautiful. I think we are at the Meiji Shrine. They haven't told us yet, but this is so beautiful. Look at the trees, and it's kind of autumn, kind of green, yellow, and So we are just going to the shrine. I think this is our first stop for today, and the place is very beautiful, very clean. The trees are very old, very dense, beautiful, and there's a lot of tourism here, looks like. Oh, we have the other girls there. I could find them. We do have our rest of the Beauty Bound Asia team already reaching there with some other bus. And just look at the entrance of the shrine. It is a wooden entrance, and here are all the girls.
Yeah, so we are going to the what's it called? Main shrine. Lots of tourists.
Hello, hello. Attention to the woman and Ken. And then the Google AMs are all like with us to Holly, Allie, Tutu, Bo, Nikin. So just look for us if you guys have any problems. We're gonna be here at 1 o'clock again, okay? 1 o'clock. So make sure that you have lunch as well before you meet us at 1 o'clock.
Welcome back.
Just look at the concrete road. It's completely concrete we are walking on, and it's serene here. Both sides we have beautiful trees. It's very dense here, and we have an interview with the Singapore media, so they are just walking on the left side of me. If you can see, all these people are from the Google and media team from Singapore, and rest of the team is just walking behind. Wow, the scene looks awesome. Everyone is loving vlogging, and there's hi Princess Joe, Singapore. So we are just moving in, and it's quite dense, so it's getting more colder here, and people are just having fun here. It's getting colder, so I may need to wear my jacket on, but otherwise the concrete road, it was a good decision to go back and change my shoes to flats, complete flats, because I was wearing block heels before. And it's nice. I'm just excited to just go into the actual Meiji Shrine and just see the Japanese temple that people come to see, because it's supposed to be the best place here in Tokyo to visit, and it shows the Japanese culture.
Going now.
So we just keep going, and we just reached the first point where usually it has a traditional, everything is written in Japanese, so I'm sorry guys, I cannot read it for you. In fact, I myself don't understand anything here, but this is a place where everybody takes pictures with, and it do have barrels of sake wrapped in straw. Finally, I do have something written in English, and I will just film it for you guys so that it's easy for you instead of me reading that for you guys. And this is so beautiful. There is something about the kingdom, emperor, and all those things, but this is how pretty it looks. So there are some flowers here, so I just wanted to show you that, but before that I want to take a clip of this screen so that you guys know what it is. You can always pause my video and read it. And then we have all the beautiful flowers here. Oh my god, so big dahlias, and it's so colorful, and I cannot read much on the names. As you see, it's not in English, but just have a glimpse. I think because of the season we are getting to see this one, because the season and climate is really good here right now, so must be blooming because of that. And I just had an interview, like we are having the interview whole day, so there's just Singapore Today, it's a newspaper, leading newspaper in Singapore, that's taking our interview today. So they're just following us with the event, and they are just seeing what I am doing for the whole day, and they're asking some questions what they want to. So it's fun, it's exciting, and we have here a lot of small pots and all that stuff. It's actually beautiful, guys, because being in Singapore and there's not much greenery, and the climate is different, and the population is too much, and this thing is so naturous. It is so relaxing. All stress that I had from the past 2 days of travel and competition, everything is completely vanished, and it feels better now. I'm just excited to walk a little more. I think the walk to the temple is quite far and long. So I'm just excited to go to the Meiji shrine, and this is on the way, my journey to shrine. And you see the place is quite crowded because there are a lot of people here. So I'm inside the Meiji shrine, and this is the prayer board where everybody is writing. If you have some prayers to God, you can write a letter from there and then hang it here. Like, see, people have written in all the languages what they are praying. It's beautiful. It's all the emotions of people. It's like, you know, but I'm not reading it, you know. I just don't want to read it because I think I'll get emotional if I read all these letters, and that's why I'm just showing you in the video quickly. So if you guys want to read it, you guys can read it, but I am basically just showing you guys all the emotions and the prayers of everybody. They have this pen and the letter here so that everybody can write their own prayers. And this is the Meiji shrine inside. It's beautiful. It looks like a very old building, and it is super nice. It's basically made up of wood. I think the traditional Japanese culture, and the trees are very beautiful, dense, big, huge trees. I think they must be hundreds of years old. But you can see the shrine inside. There she is. We were hunting for the girl in kimono. I think they're getting married in shrine today. They're getting married. So you can see the traditional Japanese outfit. The groom and the bride, they're wearing this beautiful outfit. The kimono looks to be very heavy and big cloth. It's a wedding. Yes, it's a wedding. The bride's dress is so cute and heavy. It's traditional Japanese outfit with traditional hair, right? So beautiful. Hey guys, I just had my lunch here in the Italian Tomato Cafe. I'm sorry, my plate is empty to show you that. I'm really sorry for that. Anyways, I just had orange juice and some veg tomato based Italian pasta. And I have Jazzy with me because it's like lunch. They have given us money and the lunch is on your own, so you can hang around anywhere and have your lunch. So we chose to come here to the Italian pasta because I don't eat much of Asian food. In fact, I only try once in a while, and I didn't want to eat again something which is completely Asian because I had the Japanese pasta last night and I don't find anything else to eat, so I better go with pasta which is vegetarian and much safer. So this is the cafe. This is how the cafe looks, and we are just about to finish here, and we're going to the main venue where we are supposed to meet other creators. Icon Asia is here, so we will have a fun challenge with them. We have already met, and we are going to have officially meet the Icon Asia team, which is like a Michelle Phan's MCN, multi-channel network, and they're going to open their office in Singapore. So you know what, I'm really happy for that because the more business comes, the more good it is for YouTubers. Anyways, I will vlog little bit more today because my battery is running down. I don't know, I put the camera on whole night for charging, but still it didn't get charged completely. Anyways, I'm wearing lashes today. I usually don't put on fake lashes for daytime, but I don't know why, because it was media interviews and a lot of things, and I just felt like wearing them, so I wore them. So that's the outside view. So I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, I am in Mijing area, but I'm going to Harajuku and then walking towards Shibuya. And the most exciting part about today is that now post lunch we have a challenge from Icon Asia, and they have given us $100 as shopping treat. So we need to shop anything within $100 or $100 for the day, and you can choose anything, whether you want to get your nails done, whether you want to get your hair done, or do you want to shop something else. We have rest of the people here, so we are just looking at what's the way. So they're just taking it down to the street where we can do shopping. You can go to any brand, like, you know, if I want to go into Gap and pick up something for myself, that's fine. But basically it's fun today. It's quite sunny today and I'm totally loving everything. And Tokyo is fun. I just cannot believe it's just the almost end of second day. I'm feeling super excited. So I'm really happy that I am getting this free time to do some shopping for myself, because tomorrow is going to be a very busy day, and I get to see a lot of stuff and shop. And I think Tokyo is cheaper than Singapore, so that is also a benefit for me, because Singapore is super expensive. So I just checked out some of the prices of some of the stuff, so it is cheaper than Singapore, so that's good. And since I can also get a discount of tourist visa, so that's cool, because tourist visa, I am carrying my passport, I will get almost 7% or 8% discount on whatever I buy, so that's also cool. You don't have to return or give all that in the airport. You can do it on the spot at the store. And we're just walking down. The weather is so pleasant today. It's like perfect weather for shopping, and we are wearing comfy shoes, so there is no problem in anything. We just reached the Harajuku street. It looks so cute and kawaii and so crowded. Oh my god, the Harajuku street is so crowded, but looks so exciting. Everybody is here as a tourist. That's why this is always so full. And it is totally, you know, see the banners and everything. It's kind of Hello Kitty and cute stuff here. All Japanese cute stuff. So I'm super excited to use my $100 to shop here. So it's a lot of like 7,000. Okay. We are here at the Harajuku, and I'm just going down the street to shop some awesome stuff. The money that Icon Network has given us is a lot, so I think I can probably get one or two items from that stuff. So let's just get and see what's inside. Music is so loud, so I really need to move out of this place. I actually want to get my nails done. Just look, and my phone battery is really dying today. I'm praying that by the time I finish this challenge and by the end of the day I should have some battery left, because otherwise it will be very difficult. Oh my god, it's like winter stuff, all cute stuff. Oh my god, these are like mittens, cute mittens. They are so fur, and a lot of hair bands, headbands, caps, hats. Oh my god, I really need to see what I want to buy for myself. So I'm trying out this hat for myself, because I'm wearing red today, so probably it's looking much better, and red is my favorite color. So what do you guys think? Shall I buy this hat? Yeah, thank you. So I am this Vego shop, and I got this beautiful necklace for 1,290 yens, and it's showing my passport. I got 10% off, so it was under 1,290 of the shop Vengo, and this is how it looks from outside. Cute stuff here and very crowded, and this is how the street is right now. Very crowded. Everything's crowded, but everything is so cute. Actually, you just want everything. Just look at this tails. Oh my god, this keychain.
Is this real though?
Yeah, this looks like a real. It's too long, but if you put it on your bag, it might be very long for your bag. This one is better because this is smaller.
Yeah.
Or this one. This looks cute.
So cute.
And you have a hat like this, right? Oh, this is such a cute rabbit hat. I really need to go and check. Do I need this kind of hat? I actually don't wear that kind of stuff, but it's cute. But I will also want to go and check more of the shops here at the sides of this. They have more hats. I'm really getting tempted to buy hats, but I'm like confused whether I buy a beanie winter hat or just a summer hat. Anyways, more of the jewelry here, just a random junk jewelry. Oh, it says Kiss. This one is nice, which says Kiss. And wow, cuteness. Oh my god, you really want to get dressed up? 1,000 yen for this skirt. So I'm inside this shop called Paris Kid. They also give 8% off for the customer. So these are the cute little hats here, and more of the other stuff. And they have put the Christmas tree. Super pretty. Everyone is totally vlogging, and we're checking out the handbags. They're so cute. They have like all this girly kind of bows and other stuff in there.